What made transistors replace vacuum tubes in computers? Imagine a time when computers filled entire rooms and were so fragile they could break with a single bump. Now, think about how tiny, sturdy, and energy-efficient modern computers are. The secret behind this huge change lies in a small device called the transistor. During the late 1950s and early 1960s, the shift from vacuum tubes to transistors transformed the world of computing. Vacuum tubes, which were used in the earliest computers, had many problems. They were large and heavy, often taking up entire rooms. They used a lot of electrical power and produced a lot of heat, which meant special cooling systems were needed. They also burned out quickly, so computers needed frequent repairs. Transistors, invented in 1947, changed everything. Made from semiconductor materials like silicon, transistors could switch and amplify signals just like vacuum tubes but in a much smaller size. This made computers much more compact and practical. Because transistors were tiny, computers could be built to fit on desks instead of entire rooms. They also used less power and didn't get as hot, so cooling was easier and cheaper. Transistors were much more reliable too. Unlike vacuum tubes, which had fragile filaments that burned out, transistors had no moving parts and could last 4 years without failing. This meant fewer breakdowns and less maintenance. Speed was another big advantage. Transistors could switch on and off faster than vacuum tubes, which meant computers could process data more quickly. This was especially important during the space race when NASA needed fast, reliable computers to help with satellite launches and moon landings. The cost of making transistors also dropped over time. Although they were initially expensive, advances in manufacturing made them cheaper, helping to lower the overall price of computers. During the 1960s, these improvements made computers smaller, faster, and more affordable. This was a key factor in the rapid growth of technology and space exploration. Computers became essential tools for scientists, engineers, and businesses. The space race pushed technology even further, demanding faster and more reliable machines. Transistor-based computers played a vital role in helping NASA plan and execute space missions. They could handle complex calculations needed for rocket trajectories and satellite controls. The rise of programming languages like COBOL and Fortran also made computers easier to use, encouraging more widespread adoption. From a nostalgic perspective, the move from vacuum tubes to transistors marked the start of a new era. It turned massive, power-hungry machines into smaller, more efficient devices that touched everyday life. This change sparked the digital revolution, shaping the technology we relying on today. The transistor was more than just a component. It was a symbol of innovation and progress that defined the exciting 60s.